Oh, what's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. Today we're doing a little showcase, something a little different. We had a whole bunch of products sent to us by Grovemade. They wanted to, spice up our desks because we had a desk video one time. So they sent us some products and we're going to show them off a little bit and show you what they look like. So let's do it. So right now, the first product I'm going to talk about is their monitor stand. Their monitor stand is going for $100 right now. We got the walnut. They also have it in maple, so you have those two choices to choose from. Iconic's desk is walnut, so we just went with that. And it's really nice material. Like, the wood is great. It feels so smooth and slick. I really like this. And as you see in the updated pictures of our videos of Iconic stuff, it looks nice. We also have a laptop riser, as you can see here. A nice simple thing just to slide your laptop on top. Now, one thing that did suck is when we first were talking of doing this, we wanted it to have it so we can have Iconic's laptop sitting on here next to her monitor, and she could have dual monitors because she was using her laptop to connect to the monitor and play games like that. But now she has a gaming PC, so that we ended up getting that built. So we really didn't need this too much, but now I use it on my nightstand because it makes a lot of room for my light, and I put my laptop on there that I use, when I'm in bed. So it came in handy in there. But if you do have a monitor laptop combo because you want to do a dual screen, you can also, get this, have it, have your monitor on this and have them right next to each other, and they'll put it like almost on an even level with your monitor. So it's really cool, really neat. It's a nice little stand. You see, you got this nice little fabric right here so your laptop doesn't get scratched up on the wood. And then you do have grips at the bottom, so it is not slipping everywhere. You do have these grips down there at the bottom as well. Nice firm, nice good wood. And this monitor stand is going for 150 bucks. So if you guys are looking for, something to spruce up your little setup, you can get this monitor stand for 150. And I'll have all the links down below for you guys if you guys want to check these out. Now, if you're trying to get fancy with your setup and have a nice stand for your headphones, this is probably something that you would look at. You got the leather with the walnut in there. It has a nice little weight on it. This thing's not going anywhere. Then you could put your headphones on here and they're not gonna go nowhere, but they're gonna look nice and fancy to show off. So if you got some expensive headphones like these, like that Iconic has, then you can just have them on there, show them off. They look really clean. This stand also, this is going for 150. So the next thing that we use, or that Iconic uses a lot, that she likes a lot as well, is the Macbook Dock. Now, as you see right here, let me show you guys off. Also got the wood on the outside. And then in the inside, of course, a little fabric so your MacBook doesn't get scratched up inside of here. So this is 120 right now on their website, so I'll leave that down like I said. And it's really heavy too. So let me get the MacBook Iconic. And all you do is just slide it in there and you're good to go. So it's a nice little dock. Looks nice. You can still charge up on the ends right there and you have no problem. When it's sitting on the desk, it looks really nice, and it takes up less room than, she used to have it just laying flat on the desk. It takes up all her room. Put this right there, good to go. I feel like these styles will work really good for like gifts for people in an office. Unless you just want your, home office to be baller or something, but these things they're pretty slick. This wood is nice. Yeah, so they have a whole bunch of stuff like leather notebooks, like this one right here. They have brass pens, they have mouse pads, they have a whole bunch of stuff. I think they have like a wood, some nice little wood that you can mount and just put sleeve in there, like a little cubby style looking thing. So they have a whole bunch of stuff that you can go check out on their website. So I just wanted to do a little showcase for them, and I want to update Iconic's desk with these products, and it looks really good with that stuff on there. So if you want to see Iconic's desk little setup before, we also have another video before this. You can click that right there, or you can check out some of my speaker reviews is what we mostly do on here. You can check that out right there as well. So if you guys like this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'll see all of you in my next video. Everyone be safe out there. Peace.